Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from the reviewer. Today you can see that I have a lot of items here. These are all the accessories for Insta360 X3. So I purchased these items separately. It actually comes out cheaper compared to the package. All of this including the invincible selfie stick, all these accessories. It actually comes to about 1,003 plus, which is actually cheaper if you buy this separately. So we have the spare battery, additional batteries that we have, the protection film, okay, for the lens. Then you have the charger, casing charger for the battery itself. Of course, you have the 512 gig SIM card. So this is actually the Extreme Pro version. Normally, if you buy the package, it comes with the normal version. So this is the Extreme Pro version, which is more powerful, writes faster, and then you have this actually the lens protector. Okay, so and also we have the silicone case for the Insta360 itself. So now we should move on to the invisible stick. Okay, so now let's show you the invisible stick that we have. So this is the invisible stick version. Okay, so this is the stick itself. So all this actually is accessories for Insta360, which we will do an unboxing shortly. So let's do an unboxing of the Insta360 X3 360 action cam. So this actually, this Insta360 actually comes with a dual 1.5 inch 48 megapixel sensors. It's a large sensor for low light and also high details. It comes with 72 megapixel 360 photos, super high resolution stills. It also have a single lens mode, behaves like a regular action cam. It records in 4K 30 frames per second, 2.7K at 60 frames per second. It has active HDR mode, okay, behaves like a regular action cam, improved dynamic range in action shots. Me mode automatically frames you in 180 60 frames per second without needing to be framed. Okay, it also has a pure shot AI voice reduction. It records in better low light photos, PNG raw captures. Okay, in terms of videos, it actually have a flow state stabilization, gimbal like stabilization without the hardware, 360 horizon lock, so it keeps the video level no matter how the camera rotates. Bullet time mode, okay, it has a cinematic slow motion orbit shots, 8 times slow motion for dramatic action playback, time shift or hyperlapse, adjust video speed with smooth stabilization. And then of course the selfie stick that I show you, it actually has an invincible selfie stick effect, so the stick disappears in 360 shots. Deep track 2.0 AI tracking, so it keeps the subjects automatically in frame. It auto frame and shot lap. Okay, in the app itself, AI generates ready-made edits and effects. So there's a lot of things ongoing with the Insta360. The audio itself, okay, is actually 4 mic array. It's immersive 360 audio recording, directional focus audio, smart wind reduction plus voice focus. Display controls, it has a 2.29 ultra bright touchscreen, bigger screen on an Insta360 cam. Vibration feedback, haptic feedback for easy control. Voice control 2.0, Apple Watch and AirPods control, so you can remotely do remote shooting using an audio input. Durability and battery lives, it actually has a waterproof up to 10 meter, 33 feet out of the box. Optional dive case, okay, bigger 180 mAh battery, USB-C fast charging. Of course, it has the Insta apps, which allows you to do Insta360 editing, easy reframing, shot lapse templates, auto reframe, desktop studio, and then there's other useful features, which is a loop recording, pre-recording, GPS remote compatibility, accessories, ecosystems. So it has a lot of different accessories that you can use with the Insta360. So that's all for the 360. Okay, this is the device itself. Okay, it's a gorgeous device. Okay, Insta360 X3. So that's all for my review for today. Hope this review helps you. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe to the reviewer.